Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about how to survive a zombie apocalypse or a war or anything like natural disasters. What you need for the survival kit for a zombie apocalypse is a basic gun, knife, a flashlight, food supplies, gloves, headgear, body armor for like your shoulder, legs, so and like armor for your hand. Protect against bites and a lot of infections. And be careful. Let's see. Let's say you get a bite from a zombie, you turn into a zombie within a specific amount of time. Results, it could be fast. It could be like within 5-10 minutes, or it could be like a few hours. And there's only two ways you can get infected. First, if they like cut blood to your skin. If it's like some kind of hot, warm, or whatever, lukewarm, but it absorbs straight into the skin and causes an infection. So you do is just like put masks or headgear to protect you from it. And also have a radio. Radio is good for like communication with other people outside. And you pretty much cannot trust anyone since they fight over supplies and stuff. Always have some medical supplies in handy to protect yourself against like infections and everything like that. So how zombies are? Some are could be like slow ones, or they're also what do you call it? It could be like fast ones, like in Resident Evil, they're fast ones. The Walking Dead is like slow ones. How they track you through their sight. If they their sight has some do by sight, some do by hearing. So those are, or they do smell. Smell is the most common because they can smell human. Because if you're like you use like your zombie and their zombie, they just smell you the same. This is what you do. In The Walking Dead, they show a way that you use the zombie blood to masquerade your human stench, so they can't detect if it's human or zombie. They just treat you like the rest. And everything I mentioned is pretty much the same survival kit you'll need in a regular war. And also have some like tools in handy like a Swiss Army knife, some forks and knives, also some like gear. If you need like a gas mask to protect against the dirty air, something could be infected with some kind of pathogen or biological stuff. And next, you should need also is like a water canteen so you can replenish water, and then have a map of the like draw a map like okay what location you've been to, or get a map of the city or town, depending on your location, and try to find a good place to live, a shelter that's fortified, easy, multiple points of exit in case like let's say like a horde like surrounding a building and they saw a light and then they broke in. Right? Then you gotta figure out your exit points, how you're gonna deal with them, and you can use like some kind. They have like one of those like remote control cars or something or drone to just distract the zombies to make them follow one direction while you exit the other way out. And also, in order to prepare for it, you need at least train how to use basic punch kick skills, how to take down a zombie. Mostly, zombies can be taken down through a headshot or you just sever their brain. Cut the head doesn't guarantee they die. Sometimes the part move, but they mostly be dead. Go straight for the brain. If you just shoot them like in the body part, that there's only slows them down. It doesn't really hurt, kill them at all. So that's another way. And then when you find like best place for like security, let's see. you have to choose like a house is okay. You just got board up windows in the front and back door, and then hold out until then. And then when you want to go out, you gotta check your surroundings. Use like non weapons that don't cause too much noise. There's like for a gun or machine gun, you just use the silencer. There's low sound, it won't be able to hear you. And other blunt weapons, you can use a baseball bat, a knife, sword, katana. And also, if you deal with like a horde of zombies, like you can't defeat with just those basic equipment. You have to create like some type of. You can do like a gasoline and fire, light it up like a Molotov style, or use alcohol, same way, or canisters of we call like propane tanks. It depends on the area. Use every item that can be designed as a weapon to protect yourself from a zombie horde or a war. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they know about surviving a zombie apocalypse and what type of items you need in order to survive. And the last thing you should need is like anything that can pick locks so you can get inside a building much faster. And I hope to see you guys next time.